Hi friends, welcome back with a new video, hope you are well. In today's video I will show you how to remove the background of a picture using PowerPoint. Before we start the video, if you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so will not miss the upcoming videos. Now coming to the point, these are two pictures as you can see. We will remove or change the background of them. Go to Run and type PowerPoint, make sure that Microsoft Office is installed in your PC. Now open a blank page here. The next step is to go to Insert and pick a picture you want to remove the background. Make sure that the picture is selected, just click on Remove Background. The background is removed. Some options are here if the background is not removed properly. You can adjust by clicking these options. When it is removed properly, just click Keep Changes. As you can see, the edges are not soft. We can make it soft by clicking on Soft Edge Rectangle. Thanks for watching. I really became very glad for your presence. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. It will really motivate me to create more videos for you.